Hello, and welcome to 80/20's product highlight series. Today we're going to take a look at wire duct. Wire duct is a great way to neatly organize your cables. It's available in both fractional and metric, compatible across a wide range of profile series, and requires no machining. However, a bolt assembly will be required. More information on 80/20's recommended bolt assemblies can be found in the 80/20 product catalog. Now to install it, we've already got our bolts in and two of our T-nuts on. So we're going to go ahead and preload our last T-nut onto our bolt. Get that on there. Just get our profile into position, and then we'll slide our T-nuts into the open T-slot. We'll get it to the desired location that we want. We'll grab our wrench and we'll tighten down our bolts. Now it's also worth noting that these have slot tabs at the end of them, so if you need a longer length, you can link a couple of them together.